Instagram awaits. Your journey to social media stardom starts now. Are you ready to embark on an exciting adventure that could change your life? Instagram is not just a social media platform. It's a world of endless possibilities where creativity meets opportunity. Instagram can feel like a jungle. It's fast-paced and competitive. With millions of users posting every second, it can be overwhelming. But amidst this chaos lies a chance for you to shine and make your mark. But don't worry, you can totally rock this platform. Confidence is key, and with the right approach, you can turn this jungle into your playground. Imagine the thrill of seeing your posts go viral and your follower count skyrocket. It's all about strategy and knowing the tricks. From understanding the algorithm to mastering the art of storytelling, every detail counts. We'll guide you through the essential steps to create a winning strategy that works for you. In just 10 minutes, we'll give you the basics. Yes, you heard that right. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the foundational elements that can set you on the path to Instagram stardom. Get ready to become an Instagram pro. Whether you're a newbie or someone looking to refine your skills, this journey is for everyone. The excitement of discovering new features and connecting with like-minded individuals is just the beginning. We'll show you how to make your profile stand out. Your profile is your digital identity. From choosing the perfect profile picture to crafting a compelling bio, we'll help you create a profile that attracts and retains followers. Learn to create content that people love. Content is king on Instagram. We'll teach you how to take stunning photos, create engaging videos, and use features like Boomerang to captivate your audience. We'll also teach you how to use hashtags and engage with your followers. Hashtags are powerful tools to increase your reach. Learn the art of hashtagging and discover how to interact with your followers to build a loyal community. And guess what? You'll even find out how to make money on Instagram. Yes, you can turn your passion into profit. From brand collaborations to sponsored posts, we'll explore various ways you can monetize your Instagram presence. So, are you ready to dive in? The world of Instagram is waiting for you. With determination and the right guidance, you can achieve incredible success. Let's turn you into an Instagram sensation. Imagine the joy of seeing your hard work pay off as your follower count grows and your engagement rates soar. Your journey to social media success begins now. This is your moment to shine. Embrace the journey, stay consistent, and watch as you transform into a social media star. Let's get started. Crafting your Instagram identity. First impressions matter. Your Instagram profile is often the first thing people see when they come across your account. It's your digital handshake, your first hello. So, it's essential to make it count. Your Instagram profile is your first impression. Make it count. Think of it as your personal or business brand's storefront. It's where people decide if they want to follow you or not. Choose a clear profile picture. This is the first visual cue people get about you. It should be high quality and represent who you are or what your brand stands for. Use your logo if you have one. A logo can create a sense of professionalism and brand recognition. It's especially important for businesses to maintain consistency across all platforms. If not, a smiling headshot works great. A friendly, approachable image can make a big difference. People are more likely to engage with a profile that feels welcoming and genuine. Next, write a killer bio. Your bio is your chance to tell people who you are in just a few words. It's your elevator pitch. Keep it short, sweet, and interesting. You have limited characters, so make every word count. Use keywords that reflect your personality or business. Tell people who you are and what you do. Be clear and concise. If you're a business, mention your niche or what makes you unique. If it's a personal account, share something that defines you. Add a call to action too. This could be anything from visit our website to check out our latest blog post. A call to action guides your visitors on what to do next. Do you want people to visit your website? Make sure to include a link. This is a great way to drive traffic to your site and convert followers into customers, or maybe follow you on other platforms. Let them know. Cross-promoting your other social media accounts can help you grow your overall online presence. A strong profile is crucial for attracting followers. Make yours shine. Remember, your Instagram profile is a reflection of you or your brand. Put in the effort to make it as engaging and appealing as possible. The better your profile, the more likely you are to attract and retain followers. Content is king. Share your story your way. Content is king on Instagram. What will you share with the world? Think about your passions and interests. Do you love photography? Are you a foodie? Maybe you're a fitness enthusiast. Whatever you love, share it. Post high-quality photos and videos. Use natural lighting and interesting angles. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Hashtag power unlock visibility and reach new audiences. Hashtags are like magic keywords. They help people find your content. When you use relevant hashtags, your posts reach a wider audience. Research popular hashtags in your niche. Use a mix of general and specific hashtags. Don't go overboard though. Stick to 5 to 10 hashtags per post. Experiment with different hashtags to see what works best. Hashtags are a powerful tool for growing your following. Section 5. Engagement is key. Building a community around your content. Instagram is all about connecting with others. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments and messages. Like and comment on other people's posts. Ask questions and start conversations. The more you engage, the more visible you become. People love to feel heard and appreciated. Building a loyal following takes time and effort. Be patient and keep engaging. Section 6. Explore the world of Instagram. Discover, engage, and grow. The Explore page is your window to the wider Instagram world. Here you can find a plethora of content that spans across various interests and niches. It's a treasure trove of new content and accounts to discover. Whether you're into travel, food, fashion, fitness, or any other interest, there's something for everyone. Browse through posts based on your interests. The Explore page curates content that aligns with what you love, making it easier for you to find new and exciting posts. Like, comment, and follow accounts that resonate with you. Engaging with content not only supports creators, but also helps you build a community of like-minded individuals. The more you interact with content, the better Instagram understands your preferences. Your engagement helps the algorithm learn what you enjoy, tailoring your feed to show more of what you love. This helps the algorithm show you even more relevant content. Personalized suggestions make your Instagram experience more enjoyable and engaging. Use the Explore page to your advantage. It's a powerful tool for discovering new inspiration, finding fresh content, and connecting with new accounts. Dive into the Explore page and let it guide you to new and exciting corners of Instagram. Whether you're looking for creative ideas, new trends, or simply want to expand your network, the Explore page is your gateway to endless possibilities. So start exploring today and watch your Instagram experience grow and evolve. Section 7. Instagram Stories. Share your day, your thoughts, your life. Instagram Stories are perfect for real-time updates. Share snippets of your day, behind-the-scenes moments, or quick tips. Use stickers, polls, and questions to make your stories interactive. Add music or voiceovers to make them even more engaging. Stories disappear after 24 hours, creating a sense of urgency. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Section 8. Lights, camera, action, IGTV, and Reels for dynamic content. Want to share longer videos? IGTV is your go-to. Upload tutorials, vlogs, or behind-the-scenes footage. Reels are all about short, attention-grabbing videos. Think dance challenges, funny skits, or product demos. Both IGTV and Reels offer creative opportunities to engage your audience. Experiment with different video styles and see what resonates best. Section 9. The power of data, understanding your audience and performance. Instagram provides valuable insights into your performance. Check your analytics regularly. See which posts are performing well and who your audience is. This information helps you tailor your content for better engagement. Understanding your analytics is crucial for growth. Use this data to refine your strategy and reach your goals. Section 10. Collaboration is king. Partner up and expand your reach. Two heads are better than one. Collaborate with other creators in your niche. Co-create content, host joint giveaways, or give each other shout-outs. Collaborations introduce you to new audiences and boost your credibility. Find creators whose values align with yours and reach out. Section 11. Stay ahead of the curve. Instagram is always evolving. Instagram is constantly changing. New features are always being added. Stay updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes. Follow industry experts and attend webinars. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and thrive. Never stop experimenting and refining your strategy. The world of Instagram awaits.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.